What's the meaning of accomplished? Accomplished. 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 The word accomplished means to have achieved something, especially something difficult or impressive. An accomplished person is someone who has achieved a lot in their life. Through hard work and dedication, they may be skilled in a particular area, or they may have achieved success in a number of different areas. Accomplished people are often admired and respected for their achievements. Briefly, I would describe an accomplished person as someone who has achieved a lot in their life, worked hard and dedicated themselves to their goals, achieved success in a number of different areas, is admired and respected for their achievements.